Open Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel and click on Uninstall a program in Programs folder. Now find all Nvidia programs and uninstall all programs one by one. Open Browser and search for Nvidia driver. And open Nvidia driver website. Fill all your system details and download driver. This option is only for desktop users. I don't recommend this for notebook and laptop users. Open your browser and search for GeForce Experience. And open GeForce website and download GeForce Experience. After download, open your download folder and install GeForce Experience. After installation, open GeForce Experience and go to Drive tab. Open 3-dot menu and select Game Ready Driver. Then click on Check for Updates button. A new driver update will shown if available. Now click on Express Installation and wait for installation complete. After installation, click on Restart now. After restart, open GeForce Experience. Then click on this setting icon. And turn off everything in settings. Then click on GeForce Driver Update and automatically download driver. Then go to Home tab and open details of any programming game you want to optimize. Click on the setting icon and slide this to extreme left for maximum performance and click Apply. Open Start menu and search for Nvidia Control Panel. Open Nvidia Control Panel. In Control Panel, click on Adjust Image Settings and select Use My Preference Emphasizing and slide arrow to extreme left and set for Performance. Now click on Apply. Now click on Manage 3D Settings and select High Performance and click Apply. Now click on Set PhysicX Configuration and select Nvidia Graphics. Go to your browser and search for Nvidia Profile Inspector and download it. Now open Download folder and extract Nvidia Profile Inspector. Now open Nvidia Profile Inspector and search for your fave game and hit Apply.